Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video you're going to see DIY handmade quilted patchwork sewing machine cover design and ideas. I hope that you love my all design and ideas. Thanks for watching my video.